Good Modicare morning, friends. We have just closed November. एक बार फिर धमाकेदार performance, 100% growth versus last year. और ये बावजूद इसके कि we had Diwali and Chhat, इतने बड़े festivals के होने के बावजूद we achieved this number. So fantastic job. एक single day में we did 20 crores of sales, which is again a historic number. One day, 20 crores of sales. Two states, Karnataka, Bihar. Karnataka is now our largest state. So congratulations Karnataka team. Bihar is close second. North region was the fastest growing region in the country. So congratulations to the North region as well. November में हमने एक ऐतिहासिक शुरुआत की है. We've launched a 5-in-1 catalog. एक catalog जो सिर्फ 60 रुपए में introductory price पे you can get 5 catalogs inside this catalog. This is something that has never happened in the direct selling industry. I want to also share with you this great news that in the month of November, on 26th of November, your company Modicare achieved 2 prestigious awards at the ABP News Healthcare Leadership Awards in Mumbai. This one is for the best nutraceutical company in India for year 2018, and the other is for the best nutrition brand, which went to your nutrition brand called Well. So congratulations on this as well. In December, we are going to create history again. The largest ever event in the history of direct selling industry, I think, is going to happen in Patna. It is on 16th of December, and it is going to be, it is going to host Mr. Samir Modi himself for the event. Already, as of 5th of December, about 20,000 people have bought the tickets. We have a capacity of 40,000. मतलब ये tickets बहुत जल्दी खत्म होने वाली हैं. So please make sure that your people pick up these tickets really fast. Now I have to share with you some product news. Whatever we've promised, we are delivering, right? And the proof of that is what you're going to see now. You have been desperately waiting for a new variant in Soul Flavors Rice Bran Oil, and I'm presenting to you a pouch under Soul Flavors RBO. So this pouch is the manufacturing is already started, stock has already started moving towards the warehouses, और इसी महीने में दिसंबर के महीने में ही आपको ये pouch सेल करने को मिलेगा. Apart from this, हमने आपको एक और चीज कमिट की थी that we will give you jewelry. So we are launching now, again in the month of December. This product is ready. This is the packaging. Amoli, our brand, exquisite jewelry brand called Amoli, personally designed by none other than Mr. Samir Modi. This product is available. This has already started moving again for your warehouses. Within December, आपको ये भी सेल करने को मिलेगा. उसके अलावा आपको एक और प्रोडक्ट का बेसब्री से इंतजार था, जिसका नाम है मसाले. So I'm very very happy to announce that masala pack samples are also ready. और जनवरी से मैं उम्मीद करता हूं जनवरी से आपको मसाला भी आपके warehouses में और MSCs में खरीदने को मिलेगा. Now let's come to the mission in December. हमारे पास 2 programs हैं, 2 important programs जो close हो रहे हैं दिसंबर में. One is Pattaya and the other is ABP Plus. Let's focus on getting more and more people to qualify for Pattaya and ABP Plus. And I am very very sure कि दिसंबर के महीने में इतना सारा बारूद हमारे पास में है that no one can stop us from achieving a historic number in December, and that number, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be 100 crore. So I need your support. We all need your support to hit that 100 crore mark, and I'm very very sure we can do it in December. All the best for a dhamakedar December. Thank you.